Okay, welcome back. It is now 12:30. As you can see, the temperature ain't changed about 2 degrees. It's still 60 degrees out here. It was 58 or 57 earlier, 3 degrees, something like that. But I do have my motor on, and I did move this box where it was earlier because the sun has done moved a little bit. But when I did move the box, I'll show a little chart of recordings I got about every 15 minutes or so. But it is staying pretty much at 125, 126. You really can't see the thermometer that good. You really can't see it at all, but it does show about 125, 126. It's pretty steady. I just got it hooked up to my battery for right now, but this thing's really not tilted where it should be. But I think it peaked out a while ago at about 130 is what I recorded. There's a little bit of shade on the box, but not really enough to affect it none, I don't think. But yeah, the sun comes up over there and it just gradually comes around. Until it sits over there on that side of this house. But yeah, this thing is really performing really well, better than I thought it would, because I had to see for myself. But yeah, this thing really does work, and it works well, I believe. But I wish there was cooler temperatures out here so I could get some better test runs. But I'll get this hooked up to my house, and maybe then when it does finally get colder, I'll see what this thing actually can do. I think I'm going to have to redo my box a little bit. I have noticed a lot. Right here on the edge of the box, there's a lot of air coming out that's really not circulating through this box like it should. I'm going to have to come up with something a little bit different, maybe, where most of the air will come out of my tube up here as an exhaust. It's putting out all along this side right here, about from right here to right about here. It's really putting out a whole lot of air coming out of the front of this box. So definitely going to have to do something a little different. But might work on another box here after a while, see if I can make it a little better. But yeah, this thing is working really well, and I hope to get it hooked up to my house where I can actually start using this thing. Because it is really and it's still showing about 120. That's up about 126 now, it looks like. And it is really putting out some hot air really well. That right there is where my box is actually going to go, right out beside the house there. And I've got a little vent right there on this side of that air unit where I'm going to run both of my hoses up underneath my crawl space. If I don't wind up putting it in that room right there on the left, I might wind up just putting it in there. That way it'll keep me from running all my duct under the house, but I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to do this as I go, but I'll eventually get everything figured out, hopefully, before too much longer. But yeah, the box will have to go there. I thought about putting it up on the roof, but I really don't want it mounted to my roof because I just put a new roof on not too long ago. But yeah, the sun sets back right there, or comes up right there about the edge of that tree line. It just kind of just follows straight across, and it sets right about over there in between them two knobs there, somewhere right along in there. But I do want to say, everybody that's been watching my videos, I hope you have been keeping up with them, and I hope they haven't, or I hope they have been showing some good, because this is, like I said, my first box that I built. And I just want to thank everybody if you still keep watching my videos and keeping up with it, I do thank you for that. And once again, I would like to thank Water for Fuel H2O, because my whole entire build has been off of his design and the way he built his box, because I'm really not a carpenter or nothing like that. I really don't know a whole lot about all this kind of stuff, but it's glad to have people on there that can help me along and give me good information and can point out things that maybe I'm doing wrong or something I need to do different. But I do appreciate everybody for watching my videos, and for those that are staying there with me, I do appreciate it, and I hope you keep watching, because there will be a lot more videos to come. And I've got a few other projects I'm going to work on, but it's going to be a little bit later on, probably next year. But thank you all, and I appreciate y'all for keeping up with me. Thank you.